knocked up. More knocked up 249 of 836, the greatest chick flicks ever made 63, 151, the most rewatchable comedy movies. Zoolander. Hot Tub Time Machine. More Hot Tub Time Machine 219 of 1137, the absolute funniest movies of all time, 24 of 111, the best Star Wars. Talladega Nights, the Ballad of Ricky Bobby. Old School. Next Friday. Dude, Where's My Car? Or Dude, Where's My Car? 512 of 925, the all-time greatest comedy films. 1227 of 1540, the most rewatchable movies. 419 of 541, the greatest guilty pleasure movies. Wayne's World. Or Wayne's World, Why Did It Take 20 Years for Dana Carvey to Forgive Mike Myers? Behind the scenes of the Wayne's World version of Bohemian Rhapsody. The Big Lebowski. Or The Big Lebowski, 18 Things You Didn't Know About the Big Lebowski. 117 of 480, the greatest movies for guys. 217 of 553, the greatest epic movies ever made. Grandma's Boy. How High. Dazed and Confused. Harold and Kumar Escape from Guantanamo Bay. Wedding Crashers. Napoleon Dynamite. Cheech and Chong's Up in Smoke. More Up in Smoke. 180 of 553. The best 70s movies. 142 of 456, the most quotable movies of all time. 28 of 82, the greatest party movies ever made. Anchorman, The Legend of Ron Burgundy. This Is the End. Ted. Friday. Step Brothers. Half-Baked. Or Half-Baked. 27 of 142, the funniest black movies ever made. 319 of 661, the best black movies ever made. Ranked 45 of 252, the funniest 90s movies. Harold and Kumar Go to White Castle. Pineapple Express. Or Pineapple Express, behind the scenes stories from the set of Pineapple Express. 41 of 97, the best movies to watch on mushrooms.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.